Meaning of harmonica.
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 Harmonica. A harmonica is a small musical instrument played by blowing air into it and using tongue and mouth movements to create sounds. It is also known as a mouth organ or French harp. The instrument consists of reeds, a comb, and a casing, and can produce a range of notes and tones. Harmonicas are commonly used in folk, blues, and country music, and have been popular for over a century. They are portable, affordable, and relatively easy to learn to play, making them a favorite among musicians and enthusiasts alike.